In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the pump from your top load washer. So now to remove our pump, we're just going to need to pop off this cover and disconnect our wiring harness. Just gives it a wiggle and it'll pop right out. With our harness disconnected, we just need to remove this hose with a pair of pliers. Now with it laying down, there shouldn't be any water up in this area. There may be a little bit laying in this hose. When you disconnect it, you may want to have a towel handy just to catch that. Now with our hose off, we just need to take our bolts out of the pump where they mount to the tub. There's 3 of them on this machine. And your pump is removed.